Hello kids, good morning parents, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe. So my name is Achal Dawda from New Era Global School. So first start with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parat Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Now rub your hands, put them on your eyes, open your eyes, and now you will flush. Okay, so now start with phonic sound. Okay, shall we start? Right. What is the phonic sound of A? What is the phonic sound of A? A for apple, A. B for ball, B. C for cat, K. D for dog, D. E for elephant, F for fish, F for fish. G for goat, G. H for horse, H for horse. I for ice cream, E. I for ice cream, E. J for jug, J. J for jug, J. K for kite, K. K for kite, K. L for lion, L for lion, M for monkey, monkey. M for monkey, monkey. N for nose, nose. N for nose, nose. O for orange, orange. O for orange, O. O for orange, O. P for peacock, P. P for peacock, P. Q for queen, Q. Q for queen, Q. What is the phonic sound of Q? Q. What is the phonic sound of Q? Q. R for rose, rose. R for rose, rose. S for sun, sun, sun. S for sun, sun. T for tiger, tiger. What is the phonic sound of T? What is the phonic sound of T? U for umbrella, umbrella. U for umbrella, umbrella. V for van, van. V for van, van. W for watch, watch. W for watch, watch. X for Xmas tree, Xmas tree. Y for yard, yard. Z for zebra. What is the phonic sound of zebra? Z. What is the phonic sound of zebra? Z. Okay, so ये था हमारा phonic sound. Now today I will tell you a story. आपको स्टोरी सुनी है? Right? Okay. So come. So first, what is this? Which letter is this? Letter A. Capital letter A. Small letter A. What is the phonic sound of A? Yes, kids. Follow. What is the phonic sound of A? Yes. A. Very good. A. Okay. So now, how we trace the A? How we write the A? हम A कैसे लिखते हैं? Capital letter A. Slanting line. And then right curve, and then standing line, right curve, and then standing line. Which letter is this? Small letter. Small letter A. Again we place right side curve, right side curve, and then standing line. Which letter is this? Small letter A. Okay, so आज मैं आपको एक स्टोरी सुनाऊंगी. Okay, so once upon a time there was an ant. A for ant. What is the phonic sound of A? And her friend is alligator. And alligator are a best friend. आपके भी friends है ना? So once upon a time there was an ant and alligator. Ant and alligator are friends. Then they both are very hungry. They both are very hungry. आप लोगों को भूख लगती है? Hungry means भूख. तो वो दोनों बहुत भूखे थे. Then they saw a apple tree. A for apple. A for apple. So an apple tree. A for apple tree. Then sorry. Then and is too small and apple tree is too big, right? Apple tree big होता है ना? आप लोगों ने एप्पल ट्री देखा है, राइट? तो एप्पल ट्री तो बहुत बिग होता है. एंड देन एंड इज टू स्मॉल. एंड तो कितनी छोटी होती है, राइट? देन एंड एलिगेटर सॉ हियर एंड देयर. मतलब उन दोनों ने यहाँ वहाँ देखा. एंड देन दे फाउंड एन एरो. देन दे फाउंड एन एरो. व्हाट इज मीन बाय एरो? आप लोगों ने धनुष बाण सुना है? एरो मीन्स धनुष बाण, राइट? Then they found an arrow and then they point out an apple with the help of an arrow, right? Then उन्होंने क्या किया? arrow से apple को point किया और apple fell down. Apple fell down. Then they both happily ate apple, right? आपको स्टोरी पसंद आई? उन दोनों ने क्या किया? एप्पल को पॉइंट आउट किया और एप्पल नीचे गिरा. एंड देन दे बोथ हैप्पीली ईट एप्पल. तो इस स्टोरी से हमें क्या सीख मिलती है? कि हमें मेहनत करनी चाहिए, राइट? उन लोगों ने मेहनत की, ऐसे ही तो एप्पल नहीं मिल गया. उन लोगों ने मेहनत की और एप्पल को नीचे गिराया. तो हमें मेहनत करनी चाहिए. और इस स्टोरी से हमें सीखने को मिलता है कि हमें मेहनत करनी चाहिए. मेहनत का फल मीठा होता है, राइट? So now class work time. Okay kids, so today I will show you some object related letter A. We start with letter A. A for arrow. A for arrow. Then A for alligator. A for alligator. What is the phonic sound of letter A? What is the phonic sound of letter A? Then A for ant. A for ant. And A for apple. What is this? An apple. A for apple. So this is some object related A. Now what did we learn yesterday? Yesterday हमने क्या सीखा था? Yesterday we learned in worksheet small letter A, right? A for apple, A for X, and A for alligator. We learned, what did we learn yesterday? Yesterday we learned small letter A. What is the phonic sound of A? And other half is in classwork and other half is in homework. Hope you all done homework. आप लोगों ने homework किया? Yes, very good. And parents, this page, ये पेज हम बाकी रख रहे हैं. ये पेज हम रिवीजन में जब आपके बच्चे स्कूल में आएंगे तब हम ये पेज आपके बच्चों को रिवीजन करवाएंगे. Okay kids, so now take out your English textbook. Take out your English textbook. Page number 13. Page number 13. Trace and write the letter A. Which letter we learned yesterday? Small letter A. So today we learn a capital letter A. Which letter is this? Capital letter A. So take out the color, take out the crayons, take out your textbook and write down. Okay. Okay kids, so how we trace the A? Slanting line, and then left to right slipping line. Capital letter A. Okay, so first write down CW and date. Please parents help your children. And then are you all happy today? Yes. So make a smiley. Happy. Then how we write A? First of all, right side slanting line, left side slanting line, and then slipping line. Okay. आपको याद है हमने ब्लू लाइन के बीच में स्मॉल लेटर लिखा था? यस. बट हमें ये पिंक लाइन से स्टार्ट करना है. पिंक लाइन. First row we trace the letter A, capital letter A. Okay. So now slanting line, go upside, and then left side slanting line, go downside, and then between two lines make a slipping line. Letter A. Okay. Again, right side slanting line, go upside. Then left side slanting line, go downside, and then left to right slipping line, capital letter A. Which letter is this? Capital letter A. Okay, kids, आपको पता है कि हमने एक स्मॉल लेटर दो लाइन के बीच में, दो ब्लू लाइन के बीच में किया था, राइट? तो कैपिटल लेटर A हमें कहाँ टच करना है? पिंक लाइन. आपके बुक में पिंक लाइन दिख रही है? यस. So how we trace? Right side slanting line, go upside, then go downside and slipping line. Okay, again slanting line, slipping line. A for apple, apple. A for apple, apple. What is the phonic sound of letter A? What is the phonic sound of letter A? Okay. Again, slanting line, then go downside, slanting line and slipping line. Which letter is this? A. Okay. So now we trace the first row and then second row. Okay. Second row में हमें क्या करना है? We write. Okay. So how we write? Blue line to pink line, slanting line. Blue line to pink line, slanting line, and then again pink line to blue line, slanting line and slipping line. Which letter is this? Capital letter A. A for apple. Again blue line to pink line, slanting line, pink line to blue line, slanting line, and then left to right, slipping line. Capital letter A. Again blue line to pink line, slanting line, pink line to blue line, slanting line, and then slipping line. Capital letter A. A for apple. Apple. Slanting line, slipping line. Blue to pink, slanting line, pink to blue, slanting line, and then slipping line. Okay, so third row is in homework. Third row आपको homework में A for apple, A for alligator, A for ant, and A for arrow. A for ankle also, right? हमने वर्कशीट में किया था ना एंकल में सर्कल. Okay, so our class work is done. Okay kids, so take out your English textbook, page number 13. Then trace and write the letter A. Okay, so take out your crayons. And then first, parents please help your children write CW and date. CW and date. And then 2 line is in classwork, 1 line is in homework. So write here HW. Okay. HW means homework. CW means class work, जो हम क्लास में करते हैं. Okay, so now take out 1 color and then trace the letter A. First, in first row we trace the letter A. How we trace the letter A? Slanting line, pink to left, then slanting line, slipping line, capital letter A. Which letter is this? Capital letter A. Again. Okay. Again. Capital letter A. Capital letter A. Which letter is this? Capital letter A. Slanting line, go upside and then go downside. Slanting line and then slipping line. Again, now we write the letter A. Okay, यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया था? Trace. And now we write letter A. So how we write letter A? Slanting line, go upside, and then slanting line, go downside, and then slipping line. Again, slanting line, slipping line. What is the phonic sound of A? What is the phonic sound of A? A for apple. A for apple. A apple. Pink, blue to pink line, pink to blue line, and then slipping line. Again, slanting line, slipping line, slanting line, slipping line, slanting line, slipping line. Now again, A for apple. Which letter is this? A. Capital letter A. Small letter A. Capital letter A. Trace slowly. और हमें लाइन के बाहर बिल्कुल नहीं निकलना है. ओके. Trace slowly, capital letter A. Slanting line, slipping line, slipping line, slanting line, slipping line, slipping line. Our class work is done. Okay kids, hope you liked today's class work, our story and homework. So enjoy your day. Thank you.